Hello guys! Good morning! Today, ikukwento ko lang sa inyo yung nabili kong toys from Airasia. Look at that. So, I will be explaining to you how the airport works. with with this kind of, you know, vehicles in airplane. And this is a fridge magnet from Airasia. Look at that. They are so cute. Let's say you're going to Paris. Oh, this was given to me by Chris. She's in Paris right now, and shout out to Chris. Hi Chris. I brought this from somewhere. I like this magnet, fridge magnet. So, okay, if you're going to Paris, and then let's say interconnect or connecting flight ka, let's say sa Singapore muna. So, sasakay ka ng Airasia. So, yung Airasia, hindi ganun ang tunog, guys, ng airplane. I'm just being funny. So, this is Airbus 320 ng Airasia. This is Airbus. Look at that. This is so cute. Tadaan! Yeah. I like Airasia. I always ride Airasia when I go to Samar and to Tacloban and or out of the country. I really like the Airasia. I don't know, maybe because of the color and I like their service. They are so easy to talk with, so that's what I like in Airasia. So kapag yung Airasia, let's say paalis na, so yan, ang susunod niyan, ang mag-check yung Foxtrot tractor. Hindi ganun ang tunog, guys. This is Foxtrot tractor. So, i-check niya yung Airasia. Makikipag-usap siya dito sa sa mga crew, kung i-check nila kung anong service na needed, something like that, etc. And then next naman, ang susunod ay yung aircraft drinking water tank. So ito yan, aircraft water tank. Look at that, it's so cute, diba? Yan. So ayan, so maglalagay siya ng fuel dito. I-make it sure niya na yung flight ay talagang puno siya ng fuel. Yan. This is aircraft drinking water tank. Yan. Yan. And then next naman, this is the luggages. This is in-flight service lift. Naandito yung mga luggages ng mga passengers. Look at that. Tadaan! Yan. So, ganyan. Ito yung maglalagay dito. So naandito lahat ng luggages. Yan. And then next naman is yung PAX steps. Ganyan. PAX steps. So, alam niyo yun, yung dito siya. Ganyan. Tapos para yung tao, yung passengers ay ready to on board. Like that. Look at that. My steps siya, right? Yan. This is PAX steps. Look. That is so cute. And then, susunod na yung bus. Bus. Dito yung mga tao from the terminal. Usually kasi malayo sa airplane. So, sinusundo at hinahatid dito sa Airbus. So, dito naman aakit na yung mga passengers to Airbus, to airplane. So, yun. That's the story behind the operation of the airplane within the airport terminal. So just in case you want to travel again, have a safe flight and enjoy. So comment what airplane do you like? Because me, I like Airasia. Airasia is owned by Malaysian businessmen, so but I still like and love Airasia. Okay, bye.